Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Alicia. You guys, today we're going to get right into some cleaning motivation as you clean with me on today. I am turning over my short-term rental unit, getting it ready for my next guest, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So you guys, today when I arrived at the unit, it had a very strong odor in it. And with these units being quick turnover units, I definitely had to get that scent out of here. But I wanted to get something that is going to eliminate odor all the time, not just in the moments where I'm cleaning up, but that allows the air to stay fresh and purified all the time. So without further ado, I want to give a special shout out to our sponsor for today's video, and that is Jerdazen. If you'd like to follow them over at Jerdazen on their YouTube channel and on Instagram, you will be able to enter into a special giveaway for my audience. They will be providing 3 free air purification systems. But before we get into that, I wanted to make sure that you know all of the deets and all of the details about this special air purification system. With the Jerdazen air purification system, it removes harmful substances, relieves allergy symptoms, improves respiratory health, and eliminates odors. It's quiet operations, and it cleans your air. This is great for babies, elderly individuals, pregnant women, fitness enthusiasts, office workers, and more. This is going to be a great addition to your home, in your bedrooms, keeping the dust free from germs in the air. When someone is in your home sick and another person is not, this is going to keep your area nice and fresh. This is also a great addition for gyms, in your kitchen where there are loud scents from cooking, in your bathrooms, in offices, and other environments. So as promised, Jerdazen will be giving away 3 of their air purification systems, and the qualifications are simple. Please subscribe to their YouTube channel at Jerdazen Global. And I will be selecting 3 individuals to receive their free air purification system. I will make sure that the link is in the description box and comments below, as well as a discount code for anyone that was not able to obtain the free units. Make sure you comment and let me know if you entered. Also, please be sure to follow me at Alicia at Home on Instagram and TikTok, because I'm going to need you to let me know your physical address and email, as well as your phone number and full name, so that we can get your product sent out to you. Now let's get back into this cleaning motivation. Going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like the drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel like calling midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. What in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trace the stars above to let us know? I'd go. You only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in passes, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go.
nights don't get around, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the
Slow down, hold on, take a breath. If I could, I'd make me feel less. Something in my brain causes stress. So come on, make me feel different. You wanna hold, don't hold back. Oh, your little drama's got me mad, and I don't need to tell you facts. You know I always want you back, girl.
I could give you a big bad surprise. Let you take your time. Sure you wanna die. Treat me nice and I'll save you a slice. Baby, it's time to slide. Do you wanna try?
I know it's true. It's what we do. Yeah, I know it's true.
It's true.
It's what we do. Yeah.
First of all, I got no regrets, but a twisting and turning, got no success. I remember the first time that we two met, the love in the chugging, can't forget how